Welcome to the Discover Mathematics series. In this video, we're going to look at determining when three lengths form a triangle. It's also called the triangle inequality theorem. For this investigation, I'm going to use four different size pieces of wire. You could use spaghetti, you could use pipe cleaner, basically anything that's you can cut into different lengths. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use three of them at a time to see how many different triangles I can make. So let's say if I first take the 3-inch piece, the 2-inch piece on this side, and a 1-inch piece on this side. Let's see if I can fashion this into a triangle. And then I notice that when I put these vertices together, that no, it doesn't make a triangle. So when I had the 1-inch, the 2, and the 3, I got a line. Okay, let's see what happens if I use the 1, the 2, and the 4. If I do the 1, the 1 inch, and the 2 inches, and the 4 inches, we see it doesn't touch. It doesn't reach, so that doesn't make a triangle. So if I tried the 1, the 2, and the 4 inches, doesn't meet. Okay, let's try the 1, the 3, and the 4. I'm going to do the 1, the 3, and the 4. Oh, we see it doesn't make a triangle. It just makes a line. So when I have the 1 inch, the 2 inch, the 3 inch, and the 4 inch, it makes a line. So let's try, instead of the 1 inch, let's try the 2 inch. The 3 inch, and the 4 inch. And when we do that, we notice that it does in fact make a triangle. So when we tried it with the 2 inch, the 3 inch, and the 4 inch, we get a triangle. So when we look at this information, let's see if we notice a pattern of what gave us a triangle. When you see the 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch is a line, this one doesn't meet, and let's see what we notice about the numbers. And what we should notice is that when we get a line, the two smaller sides add up to exactly that. 1 plus 2 gave us 3. 1 plus 3 gives us 4. So that's why we got a line. Here it's too small, that's why it doesn't meet. And this one, the two smaller sides, is greater than the third side, and that's why we got a triangle. So we can see that in order to make a triangle, we know that the sum of the two sides, the two smaller sides, must be greater than the third side. Okay, and that's how we come up with our triangle. We can also show the triangle inequality theorem using some different tools, using a ruler and the compass. So I'm going to draw in a segment that's 3 inches long, and I'm going to put a segment that's 1 inch long on the left. Since I don't know where it would make the triangle, I'm going to draw it in as an arc. And then on the right, I'm going to draw in a 2-inch segment. Well, it's going to be an arc that's 2 inches long. And when I do that, I see that this is 2 inches here. This is my arc here, or length here is 2 inches. And this over here is 1 inch. And my green line was 3 inches. And I see that that doesn't make a triangle. Okay, if I draw in a 4-inch segment, and on the right side I draw in a 1-inch segment. That's my 1-inch segment. And over here I draw in a 2-inch segment. So this is 1 inch. This is 2 inches, and my green segment is 4 inches, and I'll see that it doesn't meet. And this one here makes a line. And if I draw in another segment that is 4 inches long, do it again, drawing a 4-inch segment, and then I draw a segment that's 1 inch long on one side. And then I move this over to make it $3 on the other side. And this is 3 inches. This is 1 inch, and I see that it makes a line. And when I try and I do another segment that's 4 inches, and on the right side I'll do the smaller one, the left side I'll do the 2-inch side, the 2-inch segment. It's my 2-inch segment, and on this side I'll do the 3-inch segment. And I see that they do in fact meet, and they give me the triangle right here, where this segment is 3 inches, and this segment is, whoops, crooked, 2 inches, and this gave me a triangle when I had 2 inches, 3 inches, and 4 inches. It gave me a triangle because we can see that the 2 and 3 is greater than the 4, and that's why it popped up and made the triangle. So we can see that the sum of 2 sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So whichever way makes more sense, either using pre-cut segments of a given length, or you can draw it using the compass. But that's the theorem, that the sum of 2 sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. And that's this exploration. Thank you.